Kali jar or golf balls ki seek. Soft, engaging tone. One day, a wise professor walked into his philosophy class carrying an empty glass jar. His students watched with curiosity as he placed it on the table in front of them. Ek din, ek samajdar professor apni philosophy class, mein ek kali glass jar lakar aaye. Unke students utsipta se dek rahe, the job unhoni is table par rakha. Then, he took some golf balls and gently placed them inside the jar. Soon, the jar looked full. He turned to his students and asked, "Fear, unhon kuch golf balls uthai or aram se jar ke andar dal di. Jaldi hi, jar bar sa lagme laga." Unhoni students ki taraf dikha or poo curious mimicking students' reaction. "Is the jar full? Kya ye jar puri tarabar gaya hai?" Light chuckle as students respond. The students nodded in agreement, but the professor smiled and picked up a container of small pebbles. "Students, mehan main sir hila diya. Par professor muskuraye or a container uthaya jisme choti choti pattar." Slowly, he poured the pebbles into the jar, filling the gaps between the golf balls. Again he asked, "Is it full now?" "Dire dire, unhoni pattar jar main dal diye, jo golf balls ke beach ki kali jabar ne lage. Unhon fir pucha, ab ye bar gaya hai." The students laughed, but before they could celebrate, the professor picked up a bag of sand and poured it inside. Students hansne lage, par unka surprise hon se pehle. Professor ne ek baguthe jismain rete, or us bi jar main dal dia. The fine grains filled every tiny space left. "And now?" he asked with a smile. "Red ke chot chote dane hachar choti jaga main samage, or ab, unhon muskure hu pucha." Finally, he took 2 cups of coffee and poured them into the jar. The students were amazed. "Akhir main, unhon du cup coffee uthai or use jar main dal dia." Students heran reggae. "This jar represents your life," the professor explained. "The golf balls are your family, health, and passions. The pebbles are your job and responsibilities. The sand is everything else, small things. If you fill your life with the small stuff first, you won't have room for what truly matters." "Ye jar tumhari zindagi ka pratik hai," Professor ne samjhaya. "Golf balls tumhari family, health or sapne hain. Patthar tumhara kaam or zimmedari hain. Ret wo sab hai jo choti choti baatein hain. Agar tum apni zindagi ko pehle choti baaton se bar dog, to jo sach mein zaruri hai uski jagah nahi bachegi." "And the coffee?" The students waited eagerly. He chuckled. "No matter how busy life gets, there's always room for a cup of coffee with a friend." "Or coffee?" Students utsipta se sunalage. Unhone muskuragar.